You know what I hear all the time? I just shocked my pool and it's turning green again. That's because shocking your pool is not a maintenance program. It's like an emergency room visit for your pool. Today I'm gonna show you the weekly pool care maintenance program that prevents 90% of the problems. Most pool problems don't start with disaster. First, your pH rises, your chlorine drops. The next thing you know, you've got algae. And you're visiting me on a Saturday to take care of it. Today I'm gonna give you three things: a daily check, a weekly maintenance, and a monthly inspection that'll help you to almost never have algae. The daily check is simple. Walk past your pool. Is the water clear? Can you see the bottom? Is the pump running? You're not checking your chemicals every day. You just want to make sure that everything is functioning and working properly. Also, on your daily check, just make sure your pump is running and make sure it's running the proper amount of time for the size pool. Okay, so weekly, this is a big one. It's important. Pick a day. Consistency is more important than accuracy. Just pick a day that you can use every week to check these things. If you want to see my weekly maintenance pool care plan, check the video. So weekly, you should be testing with a high quality test kit so you can get accurate measurements. And then if you want to be on a preventative pool maintenance program, which is what we suggest, these are the products that we use. A non-chlorine oxidizing shock. This is gonna oxidize bather load. So anything that you bring in the pool with you that's organic, this will oxidize that and let the chlorine do its job of sanitizing, and this will do the oxidizing. Next, we have Algicide Plus. So this is a preventative maintenance algicide that you use to stop the algae before it even starts. Next is a no-phos metal magnet. That's gonna help with scale, it's gonna help with metals, and it's gonna get rid of phosphates, which are algae food. So if you're getting rid of the algae food, there's less chance of you having algae. Finally, a natural clarifier. It helps gather all the small things in the water so they can get trapped in the filter to make your water crystal clear. Now, if you can measure 2 ounces for 10,000 gallons of each one of those, it's almost like it's a simple scoop that you can use to take care of your preventative maintenance for your pool. So these chemicals with our weekly maintenance care in the video here, I can guarantee you, you're not gonna have algae in the pool. And you're gonna be amazed at how wonderful the pool looks. Okay, so monthly, the next thing would be to check your filter pressure. If it's a sand filter, backwash it. Also look for leaks or listen to your pump and your equipment and make sure it sounds like it's working properly. Finally, you want to check the other things on your test kit like stabilizer, calcium hardness. The easiest way to test those things is to come see us here at Clearwater Pool Supply. But if you're not local to St. George, Utah, then go to a local pool store where they can help you. So 3 things that turn a $10 problem into a big green hundreds of dollar fix are: 1, ignoring your pool and then shocking it. It's a reactive measure to take care of your pool. And 2, relying solely on chlorine tablets. Chlorine tablets contain CYA or stabilizer, and then your stabilizer level continues to climb. 3, not running your pump long enough. Circulation is one of the most important things in keeping the pool clear. If you're not moving that water, it's gonna be stagnant and you're gonna end up with bacteria and algae that grows and turns into that hundreds of dollar fix for a green mess. For a copy of this pool care preventative maintenance, we'll put a link in the description. If you like this video and found it helpful, then subscribe. Clearwater Pool Supplies, where Clearwater is your choice. Come see us. We're off River Road behind the Popeyes Chicken in Costa Vida. I'm the pool professor helping pool owners have an A+ experience. Class dismissed.